Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to talk about a fun one. This is crazy. So stay tuned, guys. You guys are going to love this project. It's a low cap gem and it's literally only like a $6 million market cap as we speak on this video. And you guys know what low market caps mean. I'm sorry, 7 million. They mean pump-a-middles. Let's go and refresh it and make sure. Well, yeah, it's still 7 million. All right. So they have 18 million in circulation. There is a total circulation of 100 million. That is the max supply. Frontier, how are they changing the game? What are they looking to do? Let's talk about all that and more. So Frontier, they are trading on several different exchanges. You can find them on Binance, Bialexi, KuCoin, Uniswap, 1inch, Poloniex. They're on so many different exchanges. So they already got listed on a bunch of different ones, and they're doing pretty good. They are ranked 516 on CoinGecko. Here's their website. Nothing really fancy. It's not amazing. It's not crazy, but they got a lot of partnerships. Here's the chains they're working on. Ethereum, Binance, Band, Kava, Harmony, Cosmos, all these different chains. And now you're like, what in the world? What are they doing? What changes it? It's crazy, guys. So before you had to have like 10,000 different wallets to participate in staking with all your different cryptocurrencies. This allows you to track all of your accounts on all of the different wallets that you have easily just by scanning it. You can download this app on the App Store and you can literally just track any of the staking. It's crazy. And on top of that, they're working on doing feeless transactions. So that way, when you put your tokens like staking your Ethereum or staking your Matic or staking Kava or staking Zilliqa, they're going to get rid of the transaction fees like with Ethereum. It's a second layer solution that they're working on. It's crazy. So guys, take a look at this project. It's a game changer in my opinion. This isn't financial advice. This is just my opinion on it. If you guys have any comments about this project, leave them below. Tell me what you think of it. Let me go ahead and play a video where you guys can see how to use the app, and then we'll talk about it some more. Here's the video.
So without wasting much time, let's install Frontier Wallet on our Android device. First of all, the Frontier Wallet is available both for Apple and Android devices. You can download it directly from Play Store, or you can visit frontier.xyz to download the local package. We'll be installing it through Play Store, so let's click on this button, which is get it on Google Play. It will be redirected to the Play Store where we can install Frontier Wallet. So just click on the install button. The installation procedure will be started. As you can see, the Frontier Wallet is successfully installed in our Android device. Let's now open the wallet. This is the navigation which will guide you on how to use the app. Just click on get started and you will see a bunch of new options here. The first one is watch and manage, second is import a wallet, third is create a multi-coin wallet. Let's now discuss about these features. First of all, watch and manage. Here you can put a Ethereum address and track his tokens and his transactions. Just click on this watch and manage. After clicking on this, you can give the wallet address and wallet name and watch that address. So the second option is import a wallet. By clicking on this option, it asks you which wallet you want to import. These are the wallets you can import in Frontier Wallet. You have to just enter the seed phrase and the wallet will be imported successfully. The third option is the create a multi-coin wallet. Through this option you can create a new wallet and the seed phrase will be given to you. So without wasting much time, I will import my predefined Trust wallet into Frontier Wallet. Just click on import. My wallet is a multi-coin wallet. I will click on multi-coin wallet and I will paste the phrase here. As you can see, I have pasted the seed phrase and I have clicked on the create pin option. Now it's asked me to enter the pin. You can enter whichever pin you would like to use in the Frontier Wallet. The Frontier Wallet will ask you the pin every time when you open the wallet. I'll just enter the pin. I have successfully entered the pin. Now the app says please re-enter it to confirm. I have successfully entered the pin. Now the Frontier Wallet has successfully synced my Trust Wallet into it. As you can see, the Ethereum network is now currently visible to you. at the top right corner, you can see the tokens which I have are successfully imported into Frontier wallet. By clicking on the menu, you can see different options. First is add wallet, second is change wallet, third is settings. By clicking on the add wallet, you can add another wallet. You can use, basically Frontier wallet is a multi-chain wallet and multi-coin wallet, so you can use 2 or more wallets at a time with Frontier wallet. So you can add another wallet by clicking on that option. The second option available here is a change wallet. So as you can see, as I have told you before, Frontier support different chains, so you can switch between different chains through this. As you can see, there is Kava, Binance, Band, Harmony, Elrond, Solana, Zilliqa, Tomo chain and Binance Smart Chain. So just clicking on the chain you would like to prefer, just click on the chain and select as primary. The following chain will be successfully opened. As you can see, I have opened the Binance Smart Chain and here it is 2.7 BNB is present in my Binance Smart Chain. So there are different functions which are offered by Frontier wallet which are chain specific. As you can see, in Binance Smart Chain you can see only assets and the history of the transactions, while in other chains like Ethereum chain, as you can see, I am switching between Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. I will select Ethereum as a primary chain. And you can see there are different options available in the navigation bar. The first is assets, the second is trade option, the third is apps option, fourth is stake option, and fifth is history option. By clicking on assets, you can view all your coins or tokens which are present on your Ethereum network. By clicking on trade option, you can easily swap between two tokens. As you can see, I can directly purchase front token with the help of Ethereum token, and I can also sell this front token for Ethereum token. So this is trade option. Third option is apps option. Apps option is a decentralized apps that are present on Ethereum network. First one, the options given here are Aave, second is Compound and Earn Finance. These are the decentralized financial applications which are associated with Ethereum Smart Chain. As you can see, there is also a tab called as exchanges where you can exchange tokens with different decentralized exchanges like Uniswap, and the feature is yet to come. The fourth option available here is the stake option. By clicking on stake option, you can stake tokens. The option available here is Matic Network. As you all know, Matic Network uses the consensus theorem of proof of stake. So you can stake Matic tokens and earn APY on top of it. You can see different nodes which validates the transaction and you can stake with the help of them. The third is the history, where you will see transaction history on Ethereum network. As you can see, this is the transaction history of my Ethereum network. On the top right corner, you can see the wallet connect option, where you can connect different wallets just by scanning the QR code. So let's now talk about the settings. What all options are present in the settings? So as you can see, there is first option, choose theme. You can choose between light, dark and battery saver theme. So just toggle between this light, dark and battery saver theme. So you can see social icon here and you can directly connect to Frontier community with the help of Telegram, Twitter and Facebook. The next options is legal, where you will be provided with Frontier terms and conditions, privacy policy and a frequently asked questions. And there is also option for support, where if a user has any issues in the app, he can directly contact to support and get help. The last option is a version, the current running version on your Android device. This is all about the overview of the Frontier wallet. Now you all know what Frontier wallet is and what all options are present in Frontier wallet. Now I will guide you through how you can send and receive tokens in Frontier wallet. So I will be using Binance Smart Chain for this procedure. So simply click on the menu, select on change wallet and select Binance Smart Chain, which is last option here. Click on select as primary and Binance Smart Chain will be opened. I'll be sending these tokens to my another wallet. Just click on the send option here. Enter the wallet address. I'll be entering the wallet address. Select the token you want to send. I'll be sending the TWT token. I'll be sending 10 tokens as of now. So click on continue. As you can see, the app is asking for PIN, which we have set before. I'll be entering the PIN. The PIN is verified successfully. As you can see, the transaction is processing now. So let's wait and see what all happens next. As you can see, the transaction is submitted successfully and it is now broadcasted to the blockchain. There are two options available, that is go back to home and view transaction. Let's now go back to home and check the history whether our transaction is completed or not. Click on the history. And as you can see, the 10 TWT tokens we have sent are successfully completed. You can check it on BSC Explorer. Click on the transaction we want to view and click on the browser in which you want to open. As you can see, it is opened in my Chrome wallet and the transaction is completed successfully. This is how a transaction gets successful and you can send different tokens to different wallets using Frontier Wallet. Now let's see how you can receive those tokens. I'll open the Frontier Wallet again. Simply you have to just click on the receive button and you will be provided with the address. Just paste this address or give this address to your friend which wants to send you tokens, and he can successfully send the tokens to this address. So guys, this is all about this video.
Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Here's some of the tokenomics. What is Front? Front is Frontier's future native token, or native chain token, that is designed to incentivize entry in DeFi, especially for smaller purse players who are unable to participate due to prohibitive costs. So for example, participating in Ethereum, you have to have 32 ETH. A lot of people can't afford that, and they're able to change this. Highest impact value capability or capture utilities up front will be staking to secure our decentralized key management frontier chain governance via MoneySign GFront, native deflationary mechanisms, NFT acquisition and creation, and discounted token sends and exchanges. So guys, this is a utility token. So you can use it for staking, the gasless transactions we're talking about. They're working on this. These guys are they're doing something good. They're working good. Here's their economic model. You guys can read it. But basically, they have tons of partnerships. Just look at these guys. All these different partnerships: CoinGecko, Matic, Bytesk, NGC Ventures, TRG Capital, Bitcoin.com Exchange, Spark, Kava, Band, Elrond. They're even partnered with Binance. Binance Chain just partnered with them. I mean, Binance doesn't partner with low blows and jokers. I mean, Binance, they even did not an article, but like a little Binance research thing on them. Front is a Frontier's native utility token with the following core use cases: governance, liquidity provision, and network consensus. It's a small cap gem, guys. It's just my opinion of it. If you guys want, you guys can search up some of the YouTube videos on the CEO. He'll actually explain the project some more. If you guys want me to leave a link in the description or want me to leave a link, I can put it in the comments below. Just let me know if you want to watch it. And let's go ahead and leave you guys with a wisdom one-liner. Proverbs chapter 26 verses 3. A whip for the horse, a bridle for the donkey, and a rod for the backs of fools. Man, dude, I remember when I was younger, I was really foolish. I'm still foolish sometimes. I was a bad kid, man. I was whipping them up. Whoop-pa! I was a bad kid. I got the most spankings, man. Be a good kid. Don't get spanked. Alright guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. If you guys are new to cryptocurrency, don't know where to get started, don't know what to invest in, well, participate in the triple threat. The first thing, set up a Celsius account. This is for your savings. This is where you're going to store your cryptocurrency and you can earn interest. It can be up to 5%, 6%, 10%, and they even have some as high as 17%. Here's a referral link. Use this referral link in order to get 20 bucks in free Bitcoin. Part 2 of the triple threat is to get a Crypto.com. Crypto.com account is one of the best places, especially for a beginner, to buy cryptocurrencies, or smaller altcoins. So now you have a savings account. Now you need to get a cryptocurrency wallet that allows you to buy those smaller altcoins like your Engine coin, your Raven coin, just like smaller alts, so you guys can participate in those big plays. My referral code is down here. If you use this, you'll get 25 bucks free. And the next one is Voyager. Voyager is awesome. There's a list of different cryptocurrencies you can use. What I like about Voyager in particular is you can actually make your next level up in buying cryptocurrencies. You can actually buy Bitcoin with a limit order. So you just hit buy Bitcoin, hit limit, and you type in how much you want. Boom, you're off to the races. So you don't have to watch it and make sure it's a good buy. And here's a referral code you guys can use to get some free cryptocurrency. This will allow you to get $25 for free. Can't beat free. And then obviously this is just a fun one, so you can get free cryptocurrency, is going on Lolly. You get a daily stack. All you do is you tap the treasure chest and you get free sats. And it's literally free. One of the days I literally got 20 bucks in free Bitcoin. Look, 101,000 sats. Pretty cool. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys are new to the channel, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button and hit that bell notification. That way you guys can be ahead of the game every time we make a new video.